How to sign up for Amazon affiliate program step by step. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can sign up with Amazon's affiliate program. Now, to do this, you're going to come over to Amazon Associates. Okay, that's their affiliate program website. Now, over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on sign up. Now, once we click on sign up here, it's going to ask us to enter our email or mobile phone number. We're going to click on continue. Now, in the case that that doesn't work for you, you're going to go ahead and create an account for yourself. Now, once you come over here to create an account, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to click on create your Amazon account. And once you do that, it is going to let you know that authentication is going to be required. So for the authentication required, it's going to ask you to go ahead and create a puzzle for you. So simply go ahead and complete that puzzle. Once that puzzle is complete, it's going to say to verify your email, we've sent an OTP to your email address. So what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to be verifying that email address for yourself. And once we verify all these things, what's going to happen from there is it also might ask you to go ahead and enter your phone number. So my OTP just reached me. It is 945, and then we have 898. So once we have this over here, we're going to click on verify. And now it's going to say enhance your security and add a mobile number to verify yourself. So what you can do is just choose your country, and you can add your phone number pretty easily. So let's say I'm going to add my phone number over here, and we're going to click on add mobile phone number. Okay, make sure that you add it according to the proper country code that they've provided you. Okay, and according to my country code, this is how my number should be suitable. So once we've added our phone number over here, simply click on add mobile phone number. And once we have done that, it should send you a verification code to your phone number. And once that is done, what's going to happen is you're going to be fully signed up for the Amazon affiliate program on their Amazon Associate Central. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you can go ahead and sign yourself up with Amazon affiliate. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.